in my profession to balance not only the right of the rich and the famous, but also the normal Zimbabweans who are here. Everybody must know they're going to get a fair sentence. Now, fairness and mercy is not modern sympathy. Mercy is a balanced process of thought. And as far as number one is concerned, Mr. Mugabe, after careful consideration, due to the lesser charges, I'm of the opinion, and before I do that, I'm going to say this. I do not know whether the second accused took the rep for you. And I can only act on what is before me. Number two, pleaded guilty on all these counts. So I don't know. But nevertheless, I will proceed with sentencing on the counts as they were proved. Number one, as far as count 5 is concerned, you are fined to 400,000 rands or 24 months imprisonment. That is now the pointing of the toy gun or that was likely to lead the person to believe it was a firearm. As far as count 6 is concerned, that's the immigration law, 49, section 49(1)(a. You are fined 200,000 rands or 18 months imprisonment. It is also ordered that you be deported. You will be escorted by the investigating officer who is here at court today and who must be complimented for that. It's not every day that we encounter that in the regional courts anymore. So he will escort you to our Tambu to oversee your departure today. So no order is made in terms of Section 103(1) of the Arms Ammunition Act. You are deemed unfit to possess a firearm.